What is poppin'? What is going on? Alright, of course, we need to do some administration. The music may be way too loud, but it is what it is. Alright, I'm so sorry. I'm looking at this beautiful screen here. Let's tweet this thing. Of course, get the Discord is the other screen, of course. Yeah. Let's go. Boom. Let everybody know it's time. How is everybody doing? A lot of people here, eh? Because today, look at this, man. All right. What's going on here? Let me open up. Man, I'm so unprepared once again, right? Let me see the chat. No, we are just starting. Ahmed, Grawan, the party just started. So you're right on time, at the right place. Yeah. It's the GoDaddy. Yeah, it is. How are you doing the coupon giveaway? Can you hear the music, by the way? Can you hear the music? We're gonna use Sandy.zip. It's my little baby. Secure and painless file transfer for developers without leaving the terminal. Look at that. We're gonna send it. That's what we're gonna do. So what I'm gonna do is, wait, let me just show, Coupons. Let me increase terminal font. Yeah. Look at that. I have 3 coupons free to give away. I'm gonna start actually in the beginning of the stream, which is right now. I'm gonna make a link with Send It, right? I'm gonna make a Send It link. I'm gonna post that into the chat. And the first one who clicks the link, of course, if you click it, you need to it's going to open up that page, and then you need to download it from that page. So the first one who downloads it, because it's not directly peer-to-peer, but it's end-to-end-ish. Of course, a lot of people are going to discuss about that, but you will see, because I'm gonna do it live, right? So you're gonna see how it works. So basically, the first one who clicks the fucking download link is gonna get the coupon. This is amazing, right? Oh, directly from the terminal. Hey, am I a genius? Or am I a genius? Let us be honest. rsync is no longer cool. Not quite sure. rsync, I don't know what it is. I never used it. I need to look that up. Can I click on phone? Yes, I think so. I think you can do that. You can do that on phone, man. Let me know. Sound of music is good, not too loud and not too low. That's exactly what I want to hear. Alright, so basically we're gonna test that. Like I said, Send It. I'm doing a lot of updates on it each and every day. There's a lot of cool stuff coming out next week. Probably it's going to be the permalinks. Right, you're gonna have a permanent link, which is going to be linked with your SSH key. So everybody that receives this link is gonna know exactly who is that link coming from. There is no discussion. It's cryptographically set. All 3 to 1 person, of course not, right? We're gonna start with one now. Right now, actually, we're gonna do it, and then in the middle of the stream and probably at the end, right? And then I'm gonna do that a couple times on stream. In the next streams also, I'm gonna give shit away, spread the knowledge, right? So for the people that actually don't know if it's worth it, well, there is a lot of shit in the full-time GoDev. What's going on here, man? See the full curriculum. Let's check the full curriculum first, right? Introduction for the people that are basically not quite familiar, right? They can basically, with my unique teaching style, learn that stuff. Then we're gonna make an hotel reservation backend, right? Look at that, all videos, you and me together, right? You and me, my voice. And we're gonna build microservices, right? We're gonna build a couple of microservices, I think 4. We're gonna connect them together. It's like a chain. It's like a complete thing. It's a real life project because I made this in a couple years ago in production. How to land a job? Very interesting. These things. This is. Hey, it is crazy stuff. I'm not gonna lie. This is how to land a job. It's secret stuff. And then mastering code, blockchain development, all that stuff. blockchain, a new one, UTXO model, and then I'm gonna add some sendit.zip live coding sessions that I'm doing from time to time. Hey! Wait, what's going on here? Okay, so we're gonna do the sendit thing. What's going on? Thank you very much. People are... Petrolhead, thank you very much for the PGG 10,000. Not quite sure what it is. What kind of currency it is, but hey, thank you very much. Everything is amazing. Alright, so is everybody ready? Right? First of all, I'm gonna test something because I'm not sure. We have Nightbot, right? We have Nightbot. What's going on here, actually? We have Nightbot, and Nightbot is basically the gatekeeper of this chat, right? So I'm gonna see if I can post a link. Fuck. I cannot do it here. That's nasty. How do I do that? Man, I'm so unprepared. I'm actually a noob, I'm gonna lie. I will do it here probably then. Alright, so oh, this is so annoying. I see myself and everything. Probably hear myself also. Can I post a chat? HTTP S. I'm gonna try. This is just a test, right? This is just a test, guys. Sendit.zip. Can I do that? Yeah, I can do that. I can post links. You guys not, but I can. Oh, that's fine. I'm gonna set myself on pause here, right? Alright, that's beautiful, beautiful. Okay, is everybody ready? So we're gonna make the first one, right? And if you, the guy that basically has the link, let me know. You don't need to send your coupon code or something, but let me know who it is, right? So I can, so we can, yeah, you know what I mean? Alright, so how does it work? It's very simple. We're gonna do, I'm so nervous actually, to be honest. So we're gonna say, SSH, sendit.zip. Yeah, like that, right? We have some options. You can basically just already do 1.txt in here, and present it is going to work fine. But there's also something else, which is personal messages and everything, right? So I'm gonna do a personal message, right? I'm gonna say message. It's gonna be good luck, something like that, and then I'm going to basically. You can also give it a file name, your own file name and everything, because it's through SSH. You can later on you're gonna get add an email address, so it's gonna get sent to the email address. You're also gonna have later on hook, which you can basically specify an HTTP hook, an endpoint, and then what's gonna happen is Sendit will send it to your hook, so you can build cool stuff with it, right? Anyway, so yeah, that's fine. Sendit zip this thing, and wait, actually that's not true. We're gonna do this. Sendit zip MSG, good luck. Just like that, and then I'm gonna cut this 1.txt in it, press enter here. Of course, people can already see these things, right? It's the first one, is the first one, right? I'm gonna post it in here, and hey, good luck with this thing, man. Good luck, let me know. We're gonna see here, yes, it's downloaded by somebody. You see, transfer completed, it's downloaded. The question is, who has it? And is there even a coupon code in it? This is brilliant or not, man. Hey, I woke up one day and I was transferring files all the fucking time. Yeah, the link you're looking for is expired. That basically means you're done, right? It's GG, well played, because it's a direct, right? The moment you saw this on my screen, the moment this transfer is completed, somebody clicked. The connection will stay open, right? So the moment you click on the link, then we are streaming. Then I'm streaming it directly to you, not peer-to-peer, but I don't store any of your files on disk. I don't. It's completely secure. No leakages. It's you and me. Game changer for streamers. Yeah, it is. But the problem is it's right now in SSH, but I'm probably going to make something on top of that, right? And you can build your own UI on top of it if you want, right? Because it's SSH. Actually, I want to know who got it, right? Because I did it. I sent another. I tested it yesterday with somebody else, and it like I said, it works perfectly fine. The question is, I want to know who it is. I don't know who it is. Come on, guys. We will see. We will see. I will do another one in midstream, and then the last one at the end of the stream, right? Hey, and the app is I'm going to add permalinks and everything. It's going to be insane, and maybe a UI on top of it and everything. But this is actually for developers, right? Because we developers we actually use a lot of files sometimes, right? And normally we drag them in Slack and Discord, but it's just so annoying, right? Oh, Kirakos, nice guess. That was me. Thank you very much. Hey, try to log in with your coupon code, and I'm gonna see it directly in my mails or basically here on my cell phone, and then I will add you to the GitHub organization because all the code is there, and I will give you the correct role in the Discord. And like I said, there are going to be a lot of updates in the course over time. And you have it, so you're gonna have them for free. Hey, buddy! So how would you know who clicked? If I send this link, if I make this link here and I send it to you, then you are the only one with the link, right? But later on, I'm going to also add IP restrictions. I'm going to add username restrictions. I'm going to add passwords. So you can basically lock everything. And we're going to have something what is called the permalinks, right? The permalinks, which basically means that it's going to be your own domain, which you're going to register very soon for free, right? Next week, you're going to register that. But basically means that you can basically make a link that is only downloadable by a verified domain. Beautiful, it's genius! So much dopamine for such a little guy as me. It's crazy. Too much latency. Hey, you need to be fast, guys. But hey, like I said, no worries. I'm gonna do 2 more chances, and then next stream, and we're gonna do that. I'm gonna give it away. Yeah, okay, cool. So the next thing I'm gonna do is set myself up for the task at hand. Coupons. I need to make sure that we don't. I'm gonna rf this 1.txt actually because yes, 2 and 3 guys. Amazing. Okay, so we're gonna take a look today. I was thinking, what can I do? Maybe do some send-it coding, but I thought, hey, why don't take a look at the vector databases, because they are very popular these days, because all that AI stuff, right? And we have somebody in our community that's actually making one. And I thought, hey, why not dig in this code and see how it all works and learn something from it? That's the thing. But first of all, before we do that, actually, we can already do a cd ... This guy here. Look at that. It's called Heisenberg. Yeah, that sounds familiar, right? Which is a vector database, but first of all, we're gonna jump. It's written in Go. It's not complete yet, right? So it's looking for open source contributors. So if you wanna jump into my community, in our community actually, it's not my community, and the Anthony GG, it's just our community. You can basically contribute to this and yeah, be a happy family, right? But before we continue digging into this code, this is such a what is this song? Crap. All right. We need to know what a vector database is, because, hey, to be honest, guys, I know what a vector is, I know what a database is, but I have no fucking clue. So we need to ask. And who else can basically explain it to a 5-year-old better than ChatGPT? Yeah. Boom. All right. ChatGPT, boys. Let's fucking go. Yeah, exactly. Kolmar, Modar is here. This guy is here. His name is Dar. That's basically the godfather of this project, and he's here sitting completely nervous because we're gonna dig into his project, right? Yeah. So first of all, hey, how do we prompt? We need a prompt engineer. But hey, it's simple. Like I'm 5. I think that's bad, right? So we're gonna say, explain me vector databases like I'm 5 years old. Let's go. Cheers to that. Sure. We're gonna wait till it's complete, and then Damn, this is actually for 5 years old. That's maybe a little bit too young, right? That's actually, is that even legal? That's the question. Oh shit. What is up, Ibrahim Gumus? Hey, by the way, guys, look at this, what I have. Look at this. Look at this. Look at me with the glasses on, man. It's amazing. Look at this. Look at that. It's a screen because I'm actually too much at the screen making businesses, right? I have the full-time code. Man, I'm a businessman right now. I'm gonna check if our boy is already signed up. Yeah, he signed up. He signed up. He signed up. Can you see that? Probably not. You can't. Wait, before I'm gonna show you because hey, I'm the real deal, right? I'm the fucking real deal. I'm gonna show you here. How can I do that without spoiling? Can you guys see this? Kyriakos Nike is just enrolled in the full-time Goda for $0. $0, boys. Okay, guys. Alright. Okay, cool. I'm gonna read it. Sure. Imagine you have a toy box filled with different toys. Each toy is special and has its own unique features. Some toys are big and some are small. Some are red and some are blue. Now, let's say you want to find a toy that is both red and small instead of searching through the entire toy box, which could take a long time. Hey, let us be honest, we were young, man. The best toys were at the bottom. It was insane. So imagine you want to search the entire box, which could take a long time. Yes, you can use a special way to organize the toys called a vector database, which basically was back in the day our mother, right? Our mother was basically the vector database and she was organizing everything, right? In the vector database, each toy has a special tag attached to it. Okay. That describes its features. These tags are like little labels that tell you what the toy looks like. For example, the red toy might have a tag that's red. Of course, and the small toy might have a tag that says small. Okay, just a date. For now, for me, it's still a database, right? Now, when you want to find a toy that is both red and small, you don't have to search through the whole toy box. Instead, you can look at the tags in the vector database. You can tell the database to show you all the toys that have the red tag and the small tag. It will quickly show you only the toys that match your request, making it much faster to find what you're looking for. Okay. So a vector database is like a special way of organizing things like toys, but their features. By their features. It helps you find what you're looking for more easily and quickly by using tags that describe those features. Okay, cool. That's weird. That's actually... That's maybe correct. That's maybe 100% correct. All right, so that's fine. So let's do a little thingy and then we're gonna dive in, right? So we need to fill 2 hours here. It's gonna be all right. We need to learn. Like I said, guys, I'm no vector database specialist. I am not. So I'm trying to learn here, right? With you. So the next thing what I want to know is, can you give me an example of a vector that describes an image, random vector. Yeah, Marty Code, exactly. That's what I was thinking, right? Marty Code says high-level explanation that applies to any DB that indexes stuff. Right? Exactly. I mean, you can basically open up MongoDB and add some text to your fucking toys, and it's GG, well played. You know what I mean? Oh, this ChatGPT is so annoying. Oh yeah, this is a vector. Okay, cool, right? So how do we get these vectors? Probably, I have no clue, right? That's special magic. So in this example, we describe a picture of a cat. Each number in the vector represents a different feature of characteristics of the cat image, right? Okay. So this is a cat, and these are basically this is vector, and these are tags, maybe, right? Well, tags. Quote, you know what I mean? In the first number, The first number could represent the furriness. Okay, cool. Yeah, I see. Yeah. The second number. Okay, I see. Hey, easy, right? Yeah. Right. Second number could represent the pointiness of the cat's ears. Why not? Like Pikachu. Is that even a cat? Not quite sure. The third number could represent the size. Okay, cool. We are there. These numbers. All right. So that's fine. The question rather is, how do we make a vector out of an image, right? That's a thing, right? Indices, basically everybody disagrees with Jet. That's why I'm telling you guys, if you blindly copy paste, if you blindly believe what ChatGPT is telling you, right? Let's say you are an AI investor, right? And you have no fucking clue about technology, but hey, AI is basically booming, and every AI investor is jerking off like a fucking madman on these companies, right? On these small little companies that basically just use LangChain, and in one day they make a simple fucking thing that basically completely useless, but they get millions of funding. You know what I mean? And let's say this AI investor basically explain me a vector database like I'm 5 years old, which they probably do just before they go into the investor meeting with the company, right? And then he reads this, right? Which is basically a complete, I don't know, it's not false, it's also not true, it's basically a generic thing, right? So he's basically completely not misinformed, but he has no clue, right? That's the thing. So what I want to know basically before we dig in, and I hope Motis code is already very complete-ish in that stuff, so we can see how it actually works. We're gonna see how smart ChatGPT is, right? Let's say this constant. Is he gonna know what I mean? This constant, we're gonna say foo bar represents a cat. How do we calculate the vectors? Maybe I'm not clear enough, right? Maybe he's thinking. He's choking. All right, cool. In order to calculate the vectors that represents a specific object, such as the cat represented by the constant foo bar, we typically use the text. Actually, it's amazing, right? This model, the way he answers stuff is, you need to take it with a grain of salt sometimes, or go deeper, but the way it can come up with these words and stuff, that's basically insane, right? All right. We typically use a technique called feature extraction. Very important, feature extraction. That's good that we know that. This is important. Feature extraction involves analyzing the object or its characteristics to identify meaningful features and then representing those features as numerical values in a vector. All right, that's feature extraction. You give it some meaningful features and then numerical values. Okay, see, I see. Here is a simplified example of how you might calculate vectors for a cat using feature extraction. Gather a data set of cat images. Okay, a large set of cat images, which can be used to identify common I'm done. This thing of cats. Define relevant features. Determine which features are important for describing cats. Extract numerical values. Analyze each cat image in the data set. That's actually a lot of things that needs to be done, right? For example, you might assign a numerical value 0.8 for furriness, minus 0. Okay, cool, I see. For example, a vector representing a cat could be, yeah, we know that. Once you have calculated these vectors for a set of images, you can use them to compare. It's important to note, like I said, I've aged, I cannot even read these things. Like I skip all that stuff because, I don't know. It's important to note that the process of feature extraction can be much more complex. Okay, cool. We don't need to read this anymore because it can be way more complex. And like I said before, I won the Nobel Prize for simplification, right? From the moment I see the word complex, I take the money and sip margaritas on the beach. Vamos a la playa. Right, okay. Quadrant is open source Rust vector database. Yeah, cool. There are a lot of them, and they make a lot of they get a lot of funding. But why? Why do they need millions? I don't know. I mean, this mode is making his own single-handedly, right? Anyway, code. How do we do this? GitHub is completely reorganized. I don't know. I hate it. It's normally here you click here, boom, and you could do stuff, but now you need to click things. Boom. Actually, that's a good idea. Kolmar Kafran is a good idea. So he's telling me, I think he should restart the question, but without the 5 years old now, right? Let's do that, and then we dig in the code, and then we're gonna do some stuff, right? Okay, can you, now that I have a basic understanding of the concept, explain me, I can even type explain because I need to think what I'm going to say. Explain me this in detail as a professional. How do you write professional? I have no clue, but ChatGPT will fix that. Press enter. Certainly, in the context representing a cat using vectors, let's dive into a more detailed explanation. Nation. This ChatGPT is for, if people use this for making applications, they are complete trash. This thing, it's, you know what it's good for? For example, if you want to look a very simple thing, for example, these very simple functions it can do well, but these things, like now he's giving me these. All right. To create a vector representation of cats, you would typically start by collecting the... Yeah, I know. This data set should be... Yes. It's fine. We know what to do, right? So we basically have a collection of cats, pictures. Then we do feature extraction, which will basically spit out some vectors based on tags, characteristics, and that thing we dump into the database, and that's the thing, right? For me, right now, there's nothing much special on vector databases yet. But maybe I'm missing the clue. Right, okay, cool. So copy this thing. Let's go into... Wait. What's going on here? Could clone this little bad boy here. Heisenberg. Walter White. You know what I mean? He's the cook. He's the fucking cook. He's cooking. I mean, I never used ChatGPT 3, but GPT-4 is way better. Is that true? But I need to pay for that. Damn, and I'm giving free courses away. I have no money. CD Heisenberg, right? Like that. And then we do code because we can. Settings. Windows zoom level. DOS. Cervezas, por favor. All right, I'm opening this up. And I already see a red folder. That's no good. But hey, that happens to me all the time, right? Let's see what it is. Of course, test problems package. There's a problem here. Maybe we need to do, what's that? What's going on? C-flags and everything. Hoo-hoo, scary. Go generate. That's the problem, right? Okay, I see. Oh, it's fancy stuff going on here. There's no make file. That's sad. Maybe not found a pad. Of course, I don't have G++. Who is using G++? Who is using that thing right now? That's actually so fucking sad, man. What is G++? Sudo apt install G++. What the fuck is that thing? Password for streamers. It doesn't really matter. We can't. Command not found. Because I cannot even... Is apt-get. What's going on here? Oh, it's apt-get with the dash. Get G++. I'm choking. So it's my bad. What's going on? But I have a C compiler. GCC. What's going on? What's G++? What the fuck is this thing? Help. G++. Okay, we need to install G++. How do we do that? How do we do that? What is G++ actually? How to install G++ on Ubuntu? Build essentials. The DevMiner TV, of course. Always here, always helpful. Copy. But I think I have built essentials, to be honest, because I needed that for other stuff. Let's see. Ah! These cookies! What's going on? What's going on? You see, I hate this sudo app build. Thank you, Anna. Yeah, like that. Connecting. Spitting all the private keys. Alright, so pretty funny. I have this bottle of no water, just so I can do as if I'm drinking water, you know what I mean? Like a healthy person. There is no symbolic link. I think everything went fine, right? So go run main.go. Yes, it's working. Oh no, we're in the wrong thing. Or not? Oh, it is. I saw this fiber thing and I thought, shit, I'm in Sandit because I'm using fiber also there. Alright, that works. Go run me go. Pretty fine. Right, cool. Do we have some readme here? No, we don't. Well, that's no big of a deal because I'm the same person. You know what I mean? Readmes is for... I don't know. Alright, so we have an API, right? So there's going to be API. Look at that. Beautiful. What can we do, right? We have an Heisenberg API key and an Heisenberg master key. Insane. In API, what's going on? People sending me messages here, nudes and everything. We need to check the time because we are also going to do a giveaway. It's okay, half an hour. It's fine. It's fine. All right. New collection and everything. That's fine. I don't want to post right now because I hate that. I first want to see actually core Heisenberg. That's what we need, right? That's the core. Let me see. Collection prefix __. All collection names are prefixed to distinguish from mapping buckets. I have no clue what you mean, but cool. It's using BoltDB, right? It's using bboltdb, which is a key V database written in pure Golang, I think. BoltDB. Yes, it is. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh shit. It's archived. Shit. Exposing. It's basically Ben B. Johnson, which is very active in the Go community. What is he doing actually? He's making probably a new database. Anyway. Okay, so we have an index manager. Let me see what that thing is. Because I know the index is a very important aspect of these vector databases, according to YouTube videos. Oh man. Bbolt. That's something else, man. This Anna knows everything. It's crazy. There's a girl in our community, the only girl. She knows everything. From legit everything. I don't know. I don't even believe she's a person. It's crazy. Bbolt. Okay, it's another database. Oh, it's from etcd. Is that still a thing, actually? Was it not from this OS that was built with Go? Not with Go, but the OS that has all these Go thingies. That basically runs only containers, I guess. Something like that. Oh, it is the same thing. Look at that. We come full circle here. Bbolt is a fork of Ben Johnson. Fine, that's good. We don't need its thing. Index manager. This is how I navigate to new projects, right? Because it's hard, right? If you go into a new project where you've never been, you need to navigate. It's the same thing. If you met a girl or a man for the first time, and you're gonna share the bed with each other, which most likely will happen. if you're coming from my community, because we get late. You know what I mean? It is what it is. So if that's a new partner, a new girl, a new man, you know, you don't know the internals yet. You know what I mean? There is no LSP. There is no fuzzy finder, right? You need to fuzzy find yourself. Hey, that's beautiful, right? Because it's only gonna get worse, right? The first date, 10 years marriage, it's going down. You know, it is every marriage, every relationship is the same. And don't tell me that it's not true. Oh, we are 20 years together and we are still in love. Fuck you. That's not true. You hate each other, right? You hate each other. That's what's going on. Please, right? So it's going to, it's negative. It's always going down, right? And the funny part is it's never reaching zero, right? So it keeps going down. But hey, so I'm gonna navigate here. So we have the index manager, which is nice. So I wanna actually see what is indices here, which is an index map. I'm gonna follow this here, which is an ordered map. Okay, cool. And this is an index, and that's here. And then we are here back again with this. I don't know what this actually is. What is that thing? HNSW, which still does not compile, but I think it's just VS Code does not know what's going on, right? They say that to justify the 20H marriage. Yeah, that's true. That's true. They yeah, and on Facebook and everything, and they see all these pictures with each other, and they're happy with the kids, but they are not happy. They are completely depressed most of the time and stressed and yeah. Let's be honest. Like I said, I'm the master. I'm reality. I'm Mr. Reality, right? I'm a realist. This is actually way above my level. See, load. I don't know what it is. Can somebody explain what this thing is, to be honest? We need to investigate that. So we are using Go, this thing here. It's this. I'm gonna copy that because I have no fucking clue what that is, right? So I'm gonna paste that in here. Boom. What is that? Let me see. All right. This is even worse, right? We don't know what it is. Let me click here, maybe. This is a Golang interface. Okay, cool. This lib, click. You see the internet, you just click. You just click. Hey, I want to know what this is. Oh, a fast approximate nearest neighbor search. Nearest neighbors. Okay, I see. Yeah. Is it just nearest neighbors that to find that stuff? That's actually interesting. That's. I remember I used that way for my how I used machine learning. Can I even type machine learning to classify emails and turn them into insights? Boom! Look at that. There's a nice article from a very smart man. Not quite sure what his name was again. It was me! Look at that. I'm everywhere, guys. I'm everywhere. 2017, which is a long time ago. And I made an article here how I used machine learning and turn them into insights. What's going on here? The problem is I want to do more blogs, but I completely forgot my password. It's on another email, so I cannot even recover it. And so this account, this is me, right? You can see that. This is completely me. Hacker, engineer, researcher, trader, and an athlete. But that trader thing, that's already gone. All right, so this is an article, and I'm basically dumping some emails from the Enron scandal into it, right? And then I'm doing some text analyzing with TF-IDF, right? But I don't use nearest neighbors. Well, what am I using here? Not quite sure. PCA, what's that again? I have no fucking clue. You see, vectors. You know, I'm vectoring. I was already doing vector stuff back then. I don't know what this is. Actually, I was thinking to put that project back open and stream, but I need to dig back. It's years ago, man. This is thing. K-means that was a thing. I was using K-means, which is not the same thing. I think I'm no expert. Don't listen to me. But hey, this is an article. Check it out if you want to read it. It's pretty nice, right? 1,200 claps, and part 2 is even better. People as of today still sending me messages on Twitter. It's crazy. He's still sending me messages. Look at this, and I'm even these things, and I have no fucking clue what this is, man. I have no... This is cosine similarity. I have no clue. Like I said, you don't need to know these things. You just need to hack these things together, right? You just need to know enough. Yeah, let me see how many clappies this... 2k clappies. Hey. Good job. 6 years. Thank you. Thank you very much. Fake it till you make it. No, that's not true, but yeah. And I'm no smart person, man. I'm not smart. So okay, cool. I'm just, I don't know. I'm smart in finding things and playing the game. That's the only thing, right? And all the rest, I'll look it up on the internet. All right. So this HNSW, nearest neighbor search probably, right? Okay, cool. He's make this. This is basically, this sits in an index, right? Let me see. Yeah, this is in... Yeah, this sits in an index. Okay, cool. What can this actually do? Let me quickly see. A new, we load this thing. Free, of course we need to free, right? Because we're using a C library. Add, we normalize it. Okay, this is our vector. Why is it a float 32 actually? It's basically for C probably, right? C add point. What is C again? Oh, this is this thing. Okay, cool. Crazy. This is, I don't like that. The way you interact with C and Golang is a bit meh, and there's also a lot of overhead. But hey. Okay, so here we can search basically. We give it a query, which is a vector. And then K, I have no clue what that is. Probably some nearest neighbor parameter. Hyperparameter, right? Unsafe.pointer. It's unsafe. Unsafe.rust. Rust.pointer. Normalize. Okay, cool. Yeah, okay, fine. Right, that's the thing. Let's go back to index here, right? So the question that there is, what I'm gonna do is, I wanna open up actually in this repo, because we can. Actually, git branch, git check. Damn, we are already far to go. Quanta search Heisenberg, Quanta, boom, here, click that. Hop, development, that's what I want to be, development. Git checkout, development. Okay, fine, right now we are here. This is a little bit better. Index is an interface now, that's cool. Package core, it's already broken. Oof, I think we go back to master, by the way. What's going on here? Package core. Maybe I need to do a go mod tidy or something. I have no fucking clue. Probably not. I do a make run. No, we can. Go run. Actually, go mod tidy fixed everything. Look at that. Beautiful. Go run main.go. Found packages code cache in this case. Is this actually... There's no built thing in here, it's fine. So what I want to do is basically open up a new file somewhere, probably in main or something, right? And I'm not quite sure if these things are publicly. And I want to actually add a vector and see how, I have no clue, just play around, fuck around with these things, right? I mean, it's still broken, yeah. Package core, what's going on here? Let me fix these things for him. I need to click here, it's easier. Why is package code broken? Found packages core cache.go, yeah. Here. Oh yeah, I see. Cope. Mode! What are you doing, man? This is core. Okay, this is new index. What is it? Index. This is core index, yeah. You see that this complexity, right? Packages, folders, modules, bad news. Sometimes. All right, we know that, right? This is the thingy. Do I need to go get or something? Probably not, right? God damn it. I'm fixing his development branch. Heisenberg. This music, man. What is going on? In 5 minutes, we give away we do a new send it link in 5 minutes, right? In 5 minutos. All right, so let's fix this thing. What's going on here, actually, man? Index manager. This index is borked, right? It's completely borked because it cannot import it because we have problems in this thingy here. Too many errors, yeah. That's bad news. Maybe I need to do... Cannot use hey nodes edge level variable of type edges as you introduce. Oh. Okay, so this I have no clue, right? So this is a variable of type edge, and we are returning an you into. Okay, cool. What is an edge? Is this one? How do we turn that in an int32? I have no clue. But this is a development branch, right? So we cannot complain, right? He's working on it, but most of the time it's not a good idea to bring it in that kind of a bulky state, because if you come back a week later, maybe you don't know. So this needs to return get edges. Okay, we make a new slice here, yeah, and otherwise we return the edges level. So now I'm actually a little bit into nodes edges. God damn it! And this search is already. How do we search in GitHub? Slash. Master should have. This needs to come from somewhere, right? Maybe it's just not updated yet. Where is this thing coming from? It's from this HLN thingy. This one. Okay, click that. You click here. Clicky click. Index spaces yada yada. Get edges. God damn it! There is no function get edges in master. I have no clue what an edge is, by the way, so... Oh, wait, this is the query. I know this is a float. Yeah. This is returning... Can we do this? Search layer. This is not even done. Okay, I know what we need to do. Do we have a git status that's basically working? Git stash the whole shebang. Like that. Git checkout master. Up. And we are here. Let's close all this bullshit here. How do we do that? This one. Close all thingies. Alright, cool. This can run, right? Man. Alright, this is running fiber. Can we go in main here, and then we're gonna basically try to stuff, right? So we have this H. What can we do? Delete get. Okay, let's do this, right? A new collection here. It's gonna take in a collection, a dim. What's a dim? And an util space type. What's that? I don't know. L2 maybe. I like that. I like L2s. Michael. We need to have the dim one, and then the L2 is gonna be the utils.l2. Just like that. What's returning this thing? I have no fucking clue. Let's kill an error. What the hell? Where's my collection then? Okay, fine. Because otherwise we need to go with the API. We don't want to do that. We are coders. We do it like this, right? If R is not nil, of course, then we're going to do this. Boom, boom, boom. And then a log fatal of this beautiful error. Right? What we're going to do is this. Stat, new Heisenberg. Server run. We don't need that. We're going to return here, right? Return. Boom, boom, boom. All right, that's no problem. So how can we actually get this collection? Get collection. H dot search. Ooh, I like that. I like that. The collection. Of course, we're gonna do Michael. Actually, to be honest, we're gonna do this. Fake collection. We're gonna see what the error we're gonna get. The query is gonna be some vectors. Actually, that's amazing. I have a good idea what we can do. I have an amazing idea. Now we're gaming. The dopamine. Now it took a long time, as normally, but the dopamine will flow. I can swear that to God. It's going to be a vector. So we're going to say my vector actually is going to be this. It's going to be a float of 32 actually. What you could do, maybe you could make something like a type vector, which is going to be, I know, wrap it in a string or something, and then you could say data itself, right? It could be a float 32, something like this, right? Hey, just because I think it's cool, and you can search a vector, and then you can turn something into a vector, and you have all these constructor functions, and maybe you could check kind of system you have, and then you can make it a float 64 or something. And you know what I mean? You can do a lot of cool stuff with a vector. You know what I mean? A vec. Anyway, there's going to be a vector here. How long does it need to be? Probably doesn't actually matter. Maybe it's this thing here, dimensions. Maybe is that's the thing. I have no clue, but maybe it could be, should be. Maybe. You know what I mean? Actually, to be honest, let's first do a fake collection, right? Let's make our vector actually here. 0.3 for the furriness, right? Then we're going to say minus 0.2 for the pussiness, because it's a cat. And we're going to say 0.44 for pointiness of the ears. Right, and then we're gonna give a low score here for the agility, whatever, right? So this is gonna be 4 dimensions here. We're gonna give my query is gonna be this vector, and then we need to have this k. I have no clue what that is, but I'm gonna say 2, 3 actually, 3, right? And what does it return here? It returns out an entry. I like that, an entry and an error, right? So we're gonna say entry. R is going to be this thing, and then we're going to say if R, and it's going to return an error because the collection does not exist, right? If the error is not null, we're going to say log fatal, because we're in the main, and in the main it's always good to log fatal out. It doesn't matter unless you need to do some stuff, but I'm fataling everything in main because I'm a head. Dim is dimension, yeah, that's what I thought, right? That's what I thought. Mode. I like this. I like this API so far. To be honest, I like the master API more than I like the dev API, and I'm going to give you a tip. You're basically in your development branch, you are over engineering. You're doing optimizations that should not be done yet, in my opinion. That's what I see. That's the first thing. I like this master thing. It's easy. It's maybe not the most scalable, testable thing. I don't know, but this is working. You know what I mean? So then we have an entry here, and we're gonna say, actually, to be honest, let's dump this entry. And how do we dump this? With an fmt print f. And we're gonna say a percentage plus v. Actually, to be honest, we could do this. Can we do that? I don't know. It's gonna be percentage. I think it's this. And a new line, of course. Otherwise, it's gonna rape us in the ass. I'm gonna say entry here, right? This music is well, I don't know what this playlist is. Okay, Fakel does not exist. Yes, mode. I like it. That's what it is. Good, good, good. Now we're going to say Michael. Actually, to be honest, cats. Right, of course we're doing cats. We have videos about cat facts. So now we're going to make a spatial database. We're going to use a vector database, actually. Which is maybe... Oh, my music is also spatial. I don't know. I'm not smart. Coded entry. There is nothing. because we didn't insert anything, right? Almost time for the link, by the way. Oh, send.zip, amazing, isn't it? Be prepared, right? Everybody needs to be prepared for send.it, for the permanent, the perma verified links, because you can choose your own thing. And if send.it is going to scale and everybody's going to use it, and you have your personal permalink that actually makes sense, your name or something, you're going to be in such a good state. Later on, people will basically buy permalinks from you. There's going to be an option to transfer permalinks because they want to have that link. I see the future already. I'm a visionary. You know what I mean? It's all in my mind. It's already popping off, although it isn't. But it's already popping off here in my head. That's the vision I have. I'm gonna transform the way people send things to each other, because you can see we're gonna do it right now. First of all, we're gonna insert a cat. Actually, we're gonna do it after our send it link, right? What's going on? I have caps lock on. Hey, CDD. We're gonna go into the coupons. Everybody. What I'm gonna do is, instead of making the link, I'm gonna make it here. Then I'm gonna press enter on the screen, because otherwise people can actually already see it. And I'm gonna actually, I could. To be honest, guys, you're gonna see it on my screen. I'm not gonna post it in the chat. You're gonna see the link on my screen, and the first one that can type it over and click it. That's maybe more fair. So now you need to type fast. Wait, what do you prefer? Do I need to post it in the chat, or are you gonna read it from my screen? Let me know. Then you have a little bit more time. Then a little bit more. The guy, I don't know how you're gonna do it. You cannot copy. I don't know. Send it. Or send it not. Secure painless transfers. I made the website myself, by the way. And you can see it. I'm not a front-end engineer. Everybody wants in chat, right? Post it in chat. Okay. I'm gonna do that. We're gonna do that. So, wait. So I need to prepare myself. So we're gonna open up this one. That's me here, right? Because I'm not logged in onto my Streamlabs thingy for some fucking reason. I don't know. So I need to paste it in here. Right, so I'm gonna move this screen on the other side, right? Yeah, Alice, there's gonna be a couple coupons. We're gonna do coupon 2. So no, we need to have. I'm so sorry. We need to have better music here. Special music. We need to have special music. How do we do this? Add to my collection. NTM. That's me. Collections here. Actually, to be honest, how do I search here? How this is genre called? Is this? God damn it! Let me browse the collection because I'm choking. Build up. Ready for the drop. Is that what we need? Is that what we need? Ready for the drop? Maybe that's what we need. Let me turn up the volume a little bit more. Shit. What's going on here? Did I? Man, I'm so fucking bad at it, things. Now the music is gone. Nostalgic. Oh. Nostalgic music. What's going on? Nostalgic. Bring it on. Is that the music you want? This is ridiculous. This is nostalgic. Whoever. I have so much to learn, I'm not gonna lie. As a content creator, as a streamer, as an entertainer, I have so much to learn. Look at this. Look at me hassle with these things. It's so fucking bad. And the music is way too loud, but wait, this is not good. We need succession maybe, right? Is that what we need? Faster. This is no, nobody died. It's fine. Nobody fucking died here. This is so ridiculous. Star Wars maybe? Inspired by Harry Potter. Hoe ziet ik eruit? Mysterious score cinematic songs that build tension and drama. That's maybe what we need. Female empowerment. That's fine. That's fine. Skating soundtracks, man. What is going on here? Hey, this one maybe. I'm so bad. What, is everybody depressed or what is this? I'm done. We're gonna do this. Cyberpunk, maybe. I think Cyberpunk could be it. Yeah, that's it. This is it. Alright. I'm not quite sure how loud it is, but it's loud enough, right? Send it.zip. Making the link. SSH. Send it.zip. Send it.zip, right? I can feel the tension, right? Somebody's gonna win. Somebody's gonna win. Who is it gonna be? We have no clue. We have no clue. Alright. I'm gonna give a message, right? And the message is gonna be good luck. Right? I can also do from and everything, but the screen is too. The screen is not good, right? So I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna prepare myself here, yeah, so I can copy paste it quickly because people can read it from the screen. Are you ready? 2.txt. Are you ready? Boom! Copy this. Paste it in chat. You're gonna see on my screen, right? Yes, it's downloaded. Somebody won. Who's gonna be? Let me know. Look at this. That's what you call. Look at this. Woo! Yeah! Somebody's very fast. It is. Starting soon. I got the link first, but I forgot to download that, so I'm unlucky. Yeah, you need to click. This is also the direct download link, right? If you click the direct, if I post the direct download link, then actually the next time we're gonna do the direct download link. Because the direct download link, if you click on that, it will instantly download it for you. But if you click the send it link, right? Where are we here? Coupons. I'm gonna remove 2.txt, right? So there's one left, right? But I can do something like this, right? I'm gonna vim test, right? Vim test here. Hello from what's going on here? From the man himself. Something like that, right? So if I do this, then I'm gonna do SSH send it.zip. I could do actually, for example, from is going to be AGG. Because it's going to take my streamer name from my SSH, right? It's going to take my streamer name. But I can customize it and saying from Anthony, right? And MSG is going to be, nobody click this fucking link, I'm going to show it. I swear to God, nobody click this fucking link. There's nothing in it, it's just a test, right? MSG is going to be, what's up, my man? And then I'm going to say test, right? This thing. Nobody fucking click this thing. I'm going to click here, right? You see? Right? From streamer, this is the message. File name standard.zip. You can also configure your file name, but standard is going to be standard.zip. And it's probably going to be downloaded already, right? Look at that. Somebody, no, still not. You see, your SSH connection stays open, right? Because nobody is transferring. You're not uploading. You're just waiting until the other side downloads it, so you can directly be in touch with each other, right? That's the thing. That's the main goal. The server do not. I'm ready. Somebody click this fucking thing, right? Somebody type it over. Who's fast? Yeah. So I don't store any file. No leakages. It's you, and you can do a lot of stuff, right? You can even encrypt it, right? If you really want. If you don't wanna, if you want to be 100% sure, you can actually do a GPG output my secret file txt, pipe it into zender.zip, boom, and you have an encrypted thing. This is genius. This is the revolution. Celeraat won the thing. Celeraat, or Celerate, actually, to be honest, Celeraat. I'm a stupid Flemish guy, not gonna lie. I downloaded the coupon. I don't think so. I don't think that's true. And if you downloaded it and you removed it, hey, Celeraat, are you? What is your name? Oh no, it's not true. It's not true. It's not him. Server admin created. What the fuck is that? Ooh, got a server. We will see. I will see the one that actually had it. I just wait. Never gonna win this coupon. Hey man, that's game. That's the game of life. You cannot win everything. And like I said, there are going to be much more opportunities. I'm gonna do it on my Discord channel. I'm gonna do it on Twitter. And I'm gonna do it on my live streams. Multiple times. Because they are endless. Because it's my course. So I decide. You know what I mean? I can give them away as much that I want. Right? And the reason why I'm doing this is to prove that it's a good one. Right? Because if you make a bad course, you're not gonna give it away. Right? Then you would be a fucking complete retard to give bad courses away. Then you're complete trash. You know what I mean? My name is Pascal. Well, you don't need to dox yourself, but I will see it. I will see it coming in the mail, right? And I'm gonna let them see the mail to everyone so they know you have a real coupon code and that everything is. Send it. Guys, I'm gonna be honest. This week was a good week. I don't know what it is, but this week I call myself the Midas. Stream delay here. That's also true. Yeah, the stream is behind. That's also fucking true. That's actually fucking true! That's the stream delay. That's true. So I'm pasting a link and then 2 minutes later I'm announcing that the link is going to be sent. And it's already there. Well, we will do the next one, the last one on how can we do that? How can I? Why is there even a fucking delay on YouTube? Why is this? Who invented this thing? Who did that? Speed readers, that's not what we need. How can I do this? How can I? I'm gonna post the last one on Twitter then. But I cannot communicate with you directly on Discord. We do it on Discord, right? Because everyone needs to be on Discord, right? The last one is going to be on Discord. I will announce it on Discord, which is directly. There is no delay. I'm pitching over the fucking place. The last one will be on Discord. I will announce it on Discord. And then I paste it in the Discord link in general. And then you can click it there, right? Maybe that's that. We are learning here. Fucking, I didn't know that the delay was 2 minutes. That's fucking savage, man. It's about the bitrate. No, my bitrate is pretty good. My bitrate is pretty good. I have the maximum bitrate that I can set for my settings. I mean, my camera is recording in 30 frames per second, so, and that should be 3K bitrate. For that is okay, but I'm streaming at 6K bitrate. Not quite sure if that's fine. That's fine enough. The Discord channel. It's going to be in general, right? And I will show. I will type in Discord before, guys. No worries, right? At the end of the stream, almost, I will type it in the Discord. We're gonna do it mano a mano. Girl a girl. Whatever you say that in that language. Okay. Children, attention please. Vector databases. There is not for doing something nasty live. Oh, is that true? That's actually true. So I cannot kill myself live. So you need to wait 2 minutes before I'm kill myself live. But I'm not gonna do that because I love myself too much. Yeah, you know. Anyway, is the music not too loud? I don't think so. If it is, then I'm going to. I know Twitch is more direct. If you don't set a delay on Twitch, it's kind of direct. YouTube not, but YouTube is complete garbage to stream. But I have no following on Twitch, and I tried to do it, and I had three people watching on my Twitch stream. So building my audience on Twitch again, and to be able to be successful on Twitch, I need to be more like this, like today. If I stream every time I do it like today, and then with some reaction on something, making some beef with the Primogen, then I can be successful on Twitch. But that's not the person that I want to be, right? From time to time, this stream is going to be fine, but most of the time we're going to do actual coding, right? No BS. You know what I mean? No BS. No BS. Alright, amigos. Okay, vector database. So basically, we were searching cats, right? And if we do a go run main.go, it's going to say no collection exists. Well, no. It exists, but there are no cats. Well, no vectors of cats. So what I think we need to do is insert. But of course, this beautiful database has an API for that, right? So first of all, we're going to say h.insert. That does not dot put maybe, right? Put collection string key. That's actually weird. Okay, so we're gonna put into the cats. We need to give it, I don't know, fur. I don't know. That's not true, right? Because these are already descriptions of features. This is the feature extraction, right? So we're gonna have a JPEG, right? Then we're gonna do, I think we're gonna do feature extraction. Hey, don't, AI specialist, don't shoot me in the fucking foot, you know? Don't do that. I think that's what ChatGPT told me, right? We're gonna do feature extraction, right? And that's gonna turn me into this beautiful vec. All right. Vec of x, of n, of dim. No? Let's do n. Something like that. Alright, so we're gonna have, I don't know, I'm gonna say foo, and this is gonna be my vector probably, right? I think that's how it works. I have no fucking clue. That's not true. We need meta. So metadata probably, I don't know what that's gonna be. We're gonna say a map string. Why is this a map string interface? Stop doing that. And stop doing it right now. You need to make a map string any. Interface is already, that's old news. That's 2013. What are you talking about? I'm actually waiting until our boy Celestial Pascal is just enrolled. €0 for free. Pascal just enrolled. I need to show that, of course, to prove that I'm a legitimate person. Sometimes. And here, what's going on here? Ha! My PC. I didn't record this. I'm an idiot. I didn't record my stream. It's fine. I'm so bad. You see here? Pascal Musler. That's the only thing you can see, right? 0. You can screen 0 for free. Graduate. Oh, man, I hate this. I need another screen, man. I need another screen. I need more screens. I need more screens. Fund me. Fund me, please. I need funds. Okay. Alright, so that's fine, right? We put this thing. What is the result of a put here? That's the question. An error. Okay, I can live with that. So we're going to say if the error here and the error is not null, then we're going to basically do a log fatal of this error, right? Yes. Then I'm going to search cats. The question what it is, I'm still not, I cannot grasp it yet in my mind that we can put something. We need to specify a key in the cats collection. Okay, that's fine. And then we put our vector in. That's also fine. And some metadata. But if you want to search, we search basically the whole collection, not a key. I need some guidance there, right? Make. You need a make file. For every Go developer, the first thing I'm teaching in full-time Go dev is a make file. That's the first time I do. A make file is so cool. If you see my make file of the sender.zip thingy, it's full of stuff. Yeah. That's good. I like this error. And that's exactly what I expected. Even though I have no... This trace thingy is weird. But we specified this OR vector is actually 4. But we specified a cats collection with a dimension of 1. Right? So what we need to do is we're going to make... it's fine. Actually, what you could do is this, right? This is annoying. It's probably some kind of thing. What is this? A uint, of course. But that's fine because a uint makes a lot of sense, right? But it's just annoying. But it's fine. So 4, it's fine. Wait, to be honest, this my comments basically. And something I also want to cover actually for the Go fanatics here. Some people comment on my video on my YouTube videos and they say, Anthony, comment your code, and I'm gonna say no, you're a retard. Why? Comments are the cause of all evil. Let's say I'm gonna record this. Comments are the cause of all evil. Let's say 70 or 80% of the developers are placing garbage comments. And the only thing that a comment does is the same thing that code is doing. It gives you an overhead in your project repository. Because a comment seems to be a minor thing, it's actually a big thing. Because what happens most of the time, you make a comment and that comment is getting outdated. Or that comment does not comment what it needs to comment or does not specify what it needs to do. So what I mean by that, right? For example here, if you have, what a lot of people do sometimes, they have a function and they say get user by name or something, right? Get user by name, right? There's a function, and what I see is this, right? They do, of course, the Golang specifics, which is prefixing this with that, and then they say gets a user, gets a user by its name. If that's your comment, delete it immediately. This makes no sense at all, right? What a comment needs to do is specify internals of your function that are very important to know as the caller of it. And your function name should actually describe what your function is going to do in a higher level perspective. But I see this all the time. Right? Sometimes I see this in code bases. And if I see this from a job interview, the first thing I'm gonna do is say you are not hired. I hate this so fucking hard. I hate this so hard. This is what I see. And the way I see this a lot with this job interview, and I'll talk about this in the full-time Go dev also in that thing. But they want to they over-engineer their projects and they also over-comment their projects. For example, you have some code here, right? I'm not going to comment it. You have some code going on. And then you have something like time, sleep, or something else. They have another function, for example, here, func, wait for a response. I don't know. Time.duration. I don't know, man. I'm just coming up with things, right? So what's happening is, then they do so wait for response, and then what the I'm thinking and typing, I can't. Time.second, I don't know, 5 seconds or something, right? What they do is this, waiting for a response for 5 seconds. All the fucking time. Why? Why would you do that? Because if your function changes from name, wait for user response, which makes more sense, or something, and maybe this duration changes because it's now a fixed thing, and you're gonna change this, wait for user response, right? You're gonna keep your comment most of the time. You're gonna forget it or something, and you sit here with garbage things. You sit here with get user by name, gets a user by name. Okay. And then wait for a response for 5 seconds. Wait for user response. Because this is an outdated comment. So it's complete garbage. So, or you don't comment at all. You don't comment at all. Or you specify internals of your function. Right? Internals. Because maybe get user by name is using a Redis connection under the hood. And you need to make sure that, I don't know, that the caller closes something. For example, you need to specify a channel here. A channel, which is going to be a chan struct, right? We need to do that. Chan struct like this, right? Then I don't need to know. I don't care about get user by name. I know that it's going to get a user by name. Why? Because it's going to return me a user here and an error. That's fine. What I'm interested in is this channel. What is this channel gonna do? Because if I want to know what this channel is doing, I need to dig into this code, probably GD my way into all other functions to finally see what is going on with this channel. But if some beautiful soul describes me here, channel is used to make sure that yada 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 yada. That's a comment you need to place, right? Amen. Internals, specifics. A nice test data set could be nice from the Pokemon API, maybe. That's true, but hey, don't make me sweat. Okay, so yes, now we can actually run this probably. Go run main.go. Look at this, beautiful, man. We got an entry. We got cats. The key is foo. Why? I'm not quite sure what this key is doing. I'm trying to figure out. Okay, this is our interface. So we have one. We don't need this actually, right? What does this have? Entry. That's... I don't like this. Mode, if you're watching this still, I don't like that this is wait, actually it's my bad. It should be entries. Right. I'm so sorry. It's fine, mode. I'm garbage. Yeah, this is gonna be this. Entries. Okay, cool. So we could do something like found %d results. Just like this, maybe. What's going on here? Oh yeah. Entries, yeah. Alright. What's going on here? Oh yeah. For underscore e in range entries fmt printf percentage plus v actually maybe. New line. What's going on here? E dot. Alright, so we have the vector, right? The key and the value. The question is, what is this key? I want to know this. Alright, so if I run this, and then we're gonna set that up for our future, for our investigation, right? So we found one result, it's foo, and it's going to be maybe what we can do. This key is a string probably, right? So that can be a %s, and we're gonna say %v actually for the vector, because it's a small. What's value? What's that? To be honest. That's our vector. Okay, fine. Cool. Right. What is foo? What is 1? What is that? It's the index. It's the index. And the vector. Okay, I see. Oh, this is getting interesting, actually. I like this stuff. I want to have the vector only, right? Actually, to be honest, it's fine. It's fine. Okay. All right. So the next thing, I want to add more stuff, right? A. Wait, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna A. Boom, boom. I'm gonna copy this thing. I'm gonna call this B, C, D, E. Maybe we can do something like this, a var, right? And then do this. So magical. Of course, you don't need Vim. You need VS Vim. VS Vim. VS Vim. We're gonna make it a little bit simpler because what I wanna do. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's something I always do sometimes if I'm inserting stuff and I wanna. Yeah, my brain is completely weird. I know. We're gonna put A. This is annoying, actually. Should we have this error? Yeah, we have. This is annoying, right? Wait, we could make it a slice, but then we can. I wanna access it by key, right? Wait. Uno momento, por favor. Delete this thing. We copy this whole shebang, right? Paste that in here, right? Of course, now we need to have this one, right? And then we're gonna do this like that. Do an A. No, we can't, right? Maybe. How do we do this actually? Like that. We can't because that's actually. We can. Look at that. I'm the musician. I'm the cook. Who are you? I'm the cook. Dylan. You son of a bitch. Who knows that? The first one who actually responds in the chat, who knows where that quote is coming from, is a chat. I'm gonna repeat. Dylan. You son of a bitch. Where is that coming from? What movie? First one is a Giga chat. Any movie recommendations? Top Gun 2. Guys, I'm still watching series from 10 years ago because I'm completely outdated. Can you actually imagine? Yeah. Landkeeper. How the hell does Anthony GG have green comments with the Groovebox team and I am not? You are at the right time, at the right place to figure it out. Let me open up settings, right? Settings. Because I'm pressing N because I'm lazy. I'm at the here. That's why. Editor.token color customizations, comments, hashtag 2EA542. That's why. Vectors. We're gonna do this, right? And then we can catch the error, right? Vecchi. Boom, that's fine. So we're gonna do that. So the question rather is, like, can I do a query? Because we're finding similarities. Nearest neighbor. The nearest neighbor, right? The nearest neighbor. The girl next door. Predator. Yay! We was first here. I think Celerate again, man. Celerate with the fucking low latency shenanigans going on, man. He's a high value. That's crazy. Predator. Is there somebody first? No, I think it's Celerate again. He's fast, man. This guy is on point. Dylan! You son of a bitch. And then what did he say again? Did the CIA made you pick up too many pencils? Or something. Amazing, man. Oh man, so many fucking roids in that movie. It's crazy. So many testosterone. It's amazing. A good movie, that's a good question. There are not I remember when I was young, and I watched a lot of movies with my dad, right? How it should be, right? That's with my dad. A lot of movies like Bloodsport, 1, 2, 3, and all that stuff. Rocky and all these fighting things. With Steven Seagal was amazing. Steven Seagal and all that stuff, and of course also Predator and all that stuff, right? But now, what's there to watch? They're pussifying movies, right? They're pussifying things. The movies are on a complete other level, right? It's different. Let us be honest. They don't make the movies anymore that they did to make with these movies like as Rocky and all that stuff. And there was always some kind of or Karate Kid, Back to the Future. Like I said, guys, I think, and I say this every day against my girlfriend, back in the days, that were the good times. But right now, I don't know, everything changes, and I can't seem to pick it up, I can't seem to follow. But do I want to follow these new trends? The Gen Z generation, the Gen Z slang, the Gen Z semantics. I don't know. But hey, I want to see your Vim config. Vamos, Pascal, vamos. Un momento, por favor. Transportar a la cocaína al aeropuerto. Gustavo Lima. De la corazón. De la Filippo Caliente. Not quite sure what I just said. But it sounds amazing, isn't it? It sounds good. Let us be honest. My Vim config, it's very simple, guys. Actually, to be honest, it's simple. It's actually on GitHub. Okay, so we're gonna make a query here because I want to get this done, right? I actually also want to react on a Primeagen video, because I think if I react on a video where Primeagen reacts, and I put the Primeagen's face on one of my thumbnails, hey, that would be a business move. But the thing is, because he's made a video. Let me show you this video what he made actually. Let me show you this video real quick. Secure and painless file transfers. Oh man, what's going on? Hello. This one. YouTube, right? This guy's live. 43 people watching this boy. If you want to see a man's YouTube page tells a lot of the person itself, right? First of all, I see myself at the first video, which of course, and then we say League of Legends things, because I watch that before I go to sleep, because I still whoop everyone's ass in League of Legends, although I didn't play for a couple of years. Of course, CS Golang, right? And then I don't know what this is, and then of course My First Million, the podcast you need to watch. A lot of MMA stuff, Conor McGregor and all that shenanigans, right? Carlo Woods, Summit 1G, of course, and then yeah, Hasmon Gold. That's my YouTube page, guys. A little insight in the life. Okay, this Primeagen thingy. Primeagen. Yeah, this video, I really wanna react on this fucking video. Golang is bad for smart people. And to be honest, maybe that's true, because I'm not smart at all, right? But I watched this a little bit. You can see how much I watched, nothing, right? 3 minutes. But the thing is, the video is 26 minutes long. So the problem is, if I need to react on a video of 26 minutes, we're gonna sit here for 30 minutes, which nobody will watch on YouTube, you know what I mean? Because people have the attention span of something of a fly, you know what I mean? All right, this query real quick. So actually I can do, let me copy some of these, but I'm not gonna query an exact thing, right? What I wanna do is I wanna query something, they're gonna find everything, right? Wait, what I'm gonna do, this is 5. So I'm gonna do this 6. So I'm actually a little bit, of course, this is not Python, eh? Whoa, shit. I wanna quickly test this, because this vector database, it seems not too hard, right? It's just, you put some vectors into a collection, and then you search for its nearest neighbors with an index, right? Probably everything is indexed, right? every vector is getting indexed and all that stuff. I think that's how it works, right? So you probably have the collection itself. You have the collection cats, and that's going to be a vector. It's going to be stored in there, and then you're going to have collection cats. You're going to have an indice or something, which is going to index all that stuff, something like that. I don't know. For me, still normal database behavior actually. So maybe these vector databases have something internal going on that I have no clue about, right? Float 63, float 63, float 32 actually. It's gonna be my query. What is this actually? And there's 3 in search. I don't know what that is. Why is this a problem? Oh yeah. Because I cannot even write the whole fucking language. That's true, right? Because 5 is the nearest neighbor, because all these other things are the same. But what if I change this? This is gonna change this to 2. How is it gonna... Okay, that's the same thing. I see. What if I make this minus 5? Minus 34, which is bad score, right? Bad score. Okay, it's still gonna find that same thing, no matter the weight of these things. I don't know. That's nearest neighbor probably, right? The thing is, what happens if I make this a 7, right? I'm gonna make this a 7. I see what's going on. It's gonna turn me to 7. Why? Why is that? It gives me a slice of entries, but the question rather is... Thank you very much, Vanam Ragu, with the 220 currency. Not quite sure what it is. It's probably... It doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter how much it is. Like I said before. It's fine. Thank you so much for the support, guys. Much appreciated. And for the people that appreciate my time here on YouTube, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Jump into my Discord community. Check out Fulltime GoDev. Let all your friends know about sendit.zip. If you have good ideas, let me know. I'm gonna organize a hackathon, the sendit.zip hackathon, with a prize pool, I don't know, at 500 euros prize pool, but maybe I'm gonna make it more, because I don't give a shit, because I have no time to spend my own fucking money. So you see, I'm selling courses, but I'm giving back. You know what I mean? So it's gonna be, I don't know, something between 500 and 1,000 euro prize pool and some free courses to give away. The Send It Hackathon, coming very soon. Documentation needs to be done. UIs. Everything. Because we're gonna have the hooks and everything in the Send It stuff. So it will, yeah, there's endless possibilities. Yeah. Change the positions of Vuizenaar. Yeah, no worries, guys. No worries. We figured it out. So the problem is... Oh, change the positions. Oh, yeah. Sorry, Russelkurt, you're fine. I thought you were... change the positions. Yeah, but I'm just thinking... I mean, if I change these values here... Right, so I can do, for example... Let's paste this guy here, right? This is 0.5, but this is gonna give me 0.7. So I'm gonna delete this guy real quick, actually, just to see what's going on here. Boom, it's giving me that, right? So I don't know. I have no clue how it works, right? So that's basically, I'm trusting the implementation that this is actually working, right? Because how do you... And why do I get only one result, right? Why? Why is that? What is 3? K. Okay, and then search. Could also do in 2 bytes. Retrieve. Do you see that? This is basically copy coding. Yeah, I knew that. Insider information. I'm so sorry. Move 34 to the first place. Let's see what makes a difference. Okay, Russell Kurt, this guy knows much more than me. That's good. Thanks to Russell. Thanks to we can do. So what do I need to do? Minus 34. Yeah, I'm gonna move that to the first place. You mean to the last place then? Right? Yeah, of course, that's gonna change, right? But the thing is, it's really last value dependent, right? That's no neighbor. Actually, I mean, what's going on? Is this thing actually... I have no clue. Is that thing actually legit? Oh, wait. Wait, did I save this actually? So it basically always gives me the last value here, right? Right now it's gonna return that thing. Okay, that's something is going on, right? Something is going on. That's for sure. Maybe we are putting this into the same key. Maybe that's a problematic problem we cannot do. Because I'm no expert here. So we're gonna say this one, and we could do an fmt print, an sprint basically, right? Sprint f here, and then we're gonna say, oh, what's going on here? Let me find foo again. Yes, perfectly fine because I got the skills. And then we're gonna say y. Percentage d, something like that, or maybe like this, right? That sounds not correct actually. Oh, sprint f, of course, right? ft, ft, ft. You see, that, like I said, this is no rocket science, but this, what I want to prove with this is that you don't need to understand, that you don't need to read books or read document. Don't get me wrong here, but I just want to, that's my approach. I try to dig into the code and figuring out myself why things happen. Like, this is the perfect example that happens here right now on stream, live, right? We had a problem. It was always returning the last value, which we didn't know in the first time. We didn't know in the second time, but then we say, hey, what the fuck is going on? Is this thing bored? I was already minutes ago complaining about this key that I have no clue why this key was used for. And then I made the logical connection myself, and I thought, maybe this key is important, right? So this key is important, right? So now we also have 3 results here, which makes a lot of sense. It's giving me 2, 3, and 4. Because, yeah, these are the results we want, right? So basically, if we say, give me len entries, vectors, for example, it's going to return everything, I think. Not quite sure. Well, I muted my music once again. Fuck this. I'm gonna type it on. Because I have this new keyboard and my arrows are shifted a little bit. I'm not quite sure. It's annoying. Normally my arrows are on G and L, but now they are on H and K. But my Vim is still the same, but my arrow keys from my 60% keyboard are changed. For no reason at all. And that's annoying. Go get main. What are we doing here? Yeah, so it's returning. Okay, cool. But it sorts these things, right? That's fine, right? I think, right? And it gives me the key here perfectly fine. Yeah. Yeah, fine. Okay, cool. I see what that is, right? I see. Okay, cool. Hey, we got this, all right? We need more about Golang web because the funny, like I said, in the full-time Go dev, I'm also covering Sendit. And you could say that's not big of a deal. Click again, it's going to be invalidated. Take me back. That's fine. But the cool stuff is that this, in my new version, look at this. Look at that, guys. Wait. Where am I? Am I Sendit here? Yeah. This is so annoying here. Wait, let me show you something. Look at this. And then we're going to give the link away, right? Git checkout verified links, right? Make run. Look at this, localhost. 3000 here. Right? So verified links. I click here, sign in. Of course, I need to do that still. I mean the thing, login with GitHub. Now I'm logged in, right? So I'm logged in here, all fine, right? You see what I mean? All of this stuff, what I'm gonna build, is built with Golang. It's built with Fiber, it's built with HTML templates. And nothing else. I can even log out. And it's fine. And sign in back again. Boom. It has sessions. It has expiration sessions, multiple devices, every fucking thing. Right? And from time to time, I record how I build these things. And I'm going to put them in Sendit as updates. Right? Not only the updates about the development, but also about the business process. Because I'm trying to scale that out. Because I think it's a very good idea with a lot of possibilities. Because right now, how are we sharing files? I'm sharing files on my main job a lot of times, and it's a pain in the ass. It's a fucking, I need to find these folders, and I just want to send without my from my terminal, right? Secure. That's what I want to do. And a lot of other stuff. Like I see these giveaways, what I'm going to do right now. But the giveaway, guys, we're going to do it on Discord, right? So what's going to happen is, I'm going to notify, because we are in a little bit of a delay. I'm going to open up Discord somewhere. Here. It's maybe a little bit too small, to be honest. People are... Where's this? Min M and F. There will be many more. That's true. BJ is right. Alright, so what I'm going to do is... I'm going to go in general here with this. .zip.move, but it's fine here. Okay, community. Add here. Course giveaway. Giveaway. Watching the driver. Course giveaway. In get ready. Get ready. Maybe send it. Yeah, it's gonna be in no, just in the general screen. It doesn't matter, right? People are in my thing. It doesn't really matter. I tag everyone because I don't care, right? They need to listen because I'm the daddy. I'm ready. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna use my Discord on the other side. Here, right? Then I'm going to open up my terminal. Yeah, coupons here. We have one more. We have one more coupon. One more coupon. Get ready. Send it.zip. SSH actually, to be honest. SSH. Send it.zip. Message. Well, we don't need a message. It doesn't actually matter, right? It doesn't. I can do it like that. It doesn't really fucking matter. 3txt. Oh, you guys. This is the most simple form of send.zip. This is the only thing you need, guys. It's already downloaded. It's so fucking fast, man. What are you guys doing? It's so fucking fast. Look at everybody. Quito, yes. This is crazy. This is so fun. Everybody's going nuts. Everybody's pissed. Oh yeah, I thought it would be the direct. That's true. That's true. That's true. That's true. I will do one more. One more then. Direct link. In 2 min. So I need to make a new coupon. Actually, to be honest, it doesn't really matter. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a special thing, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up my test here. No, I can't. I need to do it. I need to do it secretly. I'm gonna make one more. That's 4 coupons. Then I have 4 giveaway. I'm actually getting complete bankrupt here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold on, yeah. I'm gonna do this, right? I'm gonna do it on off screen here. Nobody can see this. It's fine. I'm gonna make a special code, a special number, right? I'm gonna pick a special number. It's gonna be a random number, a random sentence. And the first one, and there's gonna be a direct link, right? It's gonna be a direct link. The first one who can tell me the exact thing that was in the file, I'm gonna add you as a friend and I'm gonna send you the coupon code, right? Because otherwise I need to make these coupon codes again. And actually, to be honest, maybe I can. I will just send the coupon code. Fuck it. I'm just gonna make a coupon code. It's fine. It's fine. I cannot be lazy, right? I cannot be fucking lazy. How do I actually do this here? Coupons! Man, this is so annoying. Wait, just a second, guys. I'm gonna make a coupon. That's actually, I think coupons are cool. Coupons are so cool. Add a new coupon here. Bulk, single use, but I make one, right? One here, and I'm gonna make 100% off here. Yeah. Fuck, that's a problematic problem because something's gonna happen. I'm gonna generate a CSV. Oh no, it's here. That's fine. That's perfectly fine. But I cannot click this file because I think it's gonna open. Wait, I can do this. Wait, I can do this. Just to be sure. Wait, guys, I'm so sorry. I don't wanna, I need to be very careful here. Okay, this one here. Copy this one. That's fine. That's fine. That's no big of a deal there. Right, so I have this coupon in my clipboard. This is so fucking annoying. Can I do this? All right, get ready, guys. Get ready. I'm so sorry, but you need to get ready, right? Just like that. Right, quit here on my Vim terminal. Okay, cool. I'm gonna move Discord on the other side now. All these screens, man. I'm just getting so much anxiety from that stuff. Clear, ls. So I think it's in special. Should be a coupon code in special, right? So I'm gonna send a direct link this time. The direct fucking link, right? That's what we're gonna do. The direct link. So I'm gonna say get ready on Discord right now. Get ready. Right? SSH, send it. Say yes, bro. Direct link. Direct link, right? Special, probably. Is it special? Yeah, special. Boom. Direct link. Gonna copy this thing. Yes. Boom. Direct link. Oh, that was fast. That was crazy. Damn. Someone is botting. No, of course not, man. You're not botting. Why would somebody bot for such a for a course, man? What is going on? We did it actually. It could be the Discord bot. Oh no, Zema got it. Zema got it. It's not the Discord bot, man. There are no Discord bot. Discord is not gonna click your link, man. Maybe it is. Yeah, the bot follow links, but Zema got it, right? Zema, look at this. Zema is telling me that he got it. Of she. Probably he. Where's Zema? Am I completely blind? Zema got it, right? You will see, right? Somebody just enrolled. I don't know what's going on. That's fine. Osama got it. Ah, Zema is Osama. Guys, you and your nicknames, man, it's so annoying. What's in the course? Okay, cool. That's fine. I'm gonna completely do it. Let me show you what's in the course for the final last time. First of all, right? We have the full-time GoDev webpage, which has a video that explains a little bit what's in the course, right? But I'm going to show you some text here, marketing, yada, 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 of course, right? Some reviews. And these are real reviews, by the way. If you want to... I have this on mail. This was basically such a big mail. And I needed to cut out because he was writing a lot of stuff. And this is his real name. So you can ask him. If you want to watch a video about my 20-year careers, how I did stuff, how I went to stuff, how I became who I am, which not means that I am the man, but I mean just how I came here, subscribe here and I will send you the story, right? So what's in the course here? Whoops. Well, like I said, important to watch. Discord plus GitHub, very important, right? Introduction shenanigans, right? Then we have an introduction Golang stuff. Right, just not a big of a deal. That's for the people that actually want to learn Golang and they don't have a lot of experience. They can do this, right? Mastering concurrency, fine. Look, you can check this, right? All the minutes are here, minutes, right? 20, 24, 22 minutes, and then we are starting the hotel reservation backend, right? Is this a complete? This is a complete backend, right? But do we implement all these handlers and all stuff? No. And still, look at this. Look at his timestamps. Look at this. 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Look at this. It's a shit ton of hours, right? What I'm teaching is how I build stuff. I'm not teaching you to become the nitpicking programmer that knows. No. I'm teaching you how to become successful as a programmer, which is completely different. There are people that are smart and still poor, right? There are people that are very smart and still working in their job for 60K a year, right? And that's fine. I'm teaching you thinking ways of thinking. I'm teaching you how to implement stuff, and I'm teaching it you in a specific, unique style. I'm not going to overload you with complex terms. I'm going to make you build stuff so you feel productive. Every episode is something new. Every episode we are building on top and on top and on top. Is it implemented like the best possible way? Of course not. If you want to follow a course that is so boring that your dick will never get fucking up in your whole life, then you go to Arden Labs and to all of the other stupid courses which are more expensive, right? With their costumes and their tie. No, that's not what we do, right? This is the full-time GoDev program. We build stuff like Send It in 3 days. That's how I'm teaching you that stuff. Another mindset. And then we go to microservices, right? 5 years ago, I worked for a company in Belgium, and I was responsible for making microservices. It's a tolling calculator that basically calculates based on GPS coordinates coming from trucks, where they drove, and then we're going to calculate basically how much they need to pay for each number plate, OBU, ID, and so we use Kafka and yeah, gRPC, protobuffer, and all that shenanigans. Right? That's what we do here. Right? We built all these services, Grafana, all that stuff, right? Connect them with each other. Logging, instrumentation. And then we actually, we have one service. So we built, I think, 3 or 4 services. But there is one service we pick as the service we actually implement completely production ready. And that's the aggregator service. All the other services, they are there and they communicate with each other, but they don't have logging, they don't have metrics. The aggregator we pick, because look at this, look at how long this takes, right? I mean, once you know this, you can instrument your other services yourself, right? And we also make one with GoKit, which is a very good library to make microservices. First of all, we do it with our bare hands, and then we use GoKit, which is actually cool. And then how to land a job. This is pure, and nothing is scripted in this course, right? Nothing is scripted. It's all me on the fly doing stuff, making mistakes and all that stuff, right? It's fine. That's how you learn, right? Why I'm not be able to join the Discord channel? This is again, right? What's going on with these Discord links? It's so annoying. As you're not the first one that says that you cannot join the Discord, and I don't see a lot of people joining the Discord lately. So maybe one of these links are borked. I will double check. This is very important. This how to land a job. This is basically how I land the jobs with no experience, because I have no degree, right? And I came from nothing, and I leveled myself up to job hopping, and I explain all this stuff, what you need to do, what you don't need to do, because I was also a CTO and still have a lot of shares in the company. So I also interviewed people, so I know how it goes. I know if you send your resume to somebody and you have something in your resume that says junior dev, you're already you're out of scope. I'm giving you tips, man. I'm giving you tips. You can, like I said, I'm bringing you into the company, but it's up to you to invest the time yourself in your free time to make sure they keep you there. That's my philosophy. That's what I did. I basically fake it till I make it until they hired me with some cool tricks. But I put in the time to cover the lack of experience in my free time to make sure they kept me there. Because if you're always going to be directly say who you are, it's marketing, right? You're never going to get hired in a job with a higher skill cap. How do you get better? To find a job with a higher skill cap. But you cannot find a job with a higher skill cap because you don't have the fucking skill cap. Well, that's a blocker, right? then you're stuck. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna fill. That's what something I talk about is filling the gap yourself. Anyway, your course is in Udemy. No, it isn't. It's on Teachable. Osama Ibrahim, nice man. I actually, I'm happy that it's you, to be honest, because I see you. Notifications here. I see you a lot of times in. I see you a lot of times here on stream, so you earned it for sure. Right, and like I said, there's also, oh yeah, there's also a little bit of bonus. So what am I doing here? I also have a complete blockchain here, which is not the one on YouTube, a new one. And then we have some standard programming sessions, right? Some minor sneak peeks into the internals of the thing, right? Okay. And guys, hey, standard.zip. Amazing, right? Hey. Osama just enrolled. I got it, man. Let me know what you think about it, right? Let me know what you think about it, my man. Amigos, para ciertos para aquí. It's time. It's 2 hours. It's time for me to smoke some nicotine. To stretch my legs. See if my dog is still alive. Today I'm actually free. My girlfriend is not here. My kids are also not here. So it's me, myself, and my dog. But I'm gonna basically eat my proteins, smoke some of my vapor, and then I'm gonna go back to work, right? Because there's a lot of work. Oh, it's 8 o'clock, right? A lot of people are sitting watching Netflix, not me. I'm gonna do business, right? Money never sleeps. And when I'm alone, I'm setting on my glasses. You see what this is? You see what these glasses are? They're my business glasses. Where can we buy the course? Well, here, man. Fulltimegodev.com, boys. Fulltimegodev.com. Fulltimegodev.com. Here, fulltimegodev.com. In every description of my videos, it's there. Check it out. Check it out, boys. Oh man, I have this weird pink shorts on. Look at that. Look at this. Look at these shorts. You see it? It's weird, and I need to be careful because I'm training for a marathon and I have tendonitis. You know what it is? Tendonitis. It's the tendon that connects your Achilles tendon, Achilles heel, whatever, to your lower calf. And I did 8 kilometers today and run today. And yesterday I did some heavy squats. So it's basically not the best combination to do. But hey, and everything hurts a bit. So I think I need to have some rest. How do I get the Discord role? Kito, how do you get that? It's very simple. Where are you? Where is Kito? Where is Kito? How do I find Kito? Kito! How many? Kito, let me... Is this you, Kito? Well, you know what, Kito? Just at me somewhere. At me in random. At me here, and then I can easily... I cannot click this because it's Anna. And what happens between me and Anna stays between me and Anna. I cannot leak that conversations. I cannot leak that conversations. Kito, that's you. Just add me in random. That's easier. Ah, Kito here. Boom. And of course Osama. Which one is that? I'm not gonna open the fucking message, man. Yeah, I know. The dev miner, Anna, basically is telling me that there is a possibility that the Discord bot is clicking links, but I'm not quite sure about that, to be honest. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to check out what happens if... I'm going to check that out. Maybe it's something cool to do. I'm going to check if I paste a link, what kind of header the Discord bot sets, or what kind of... I don't know, maybe it's something to detect if it's a Discord bot, and I can just block Discord bots from the direct downloads, and then you're basically freely to paste your link in a Discord, right? And later on, I'm gonna add options to encrypt it and all that stuff, right? So it's gonna be nice. Okay, thanks everyone for watching. It was a pretty interesting stream. It was a relaxing stream for me, I'm not gonna lie. Open the message, click on it. I just did it. What message is it, man? Ah, it's Discord bot. Yeah, okay, cool. The user agent to Discord bot. Well, I will fix that. I will put that in my to-do list. Right? But it was not a Discord bot, it was Osama Ibrahim that had the link, right? Okay, everyone, thanks for watching. Have a very nice evening, and I see you probably in a couple of days or in the video or something. And hey, come check the Discord, check the Fulltime GoDev. Follow me on Twitter, we're gonna play games, help me play the game, right? We're gonna make a huge impact on the tech, trying to make a huge impact, right? To make things a little bit better, right? The people need to being less worried about technology and be more about just build stuff and have fun, right? That's the thing. All right, hey, peace out. Bye-bye.